Hello friends, this is Sanjay Mishra. Once again, I welcome all of you to my channel. We were continuing the vector laws. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the triangle law of vector addition. In this lecture, we will be learning the parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, so before starting the parallelogram law, we will learn what is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other and they have the same length. Okay, so now let's move to the parallelogram law. It says if two non-zero vectors, say A and B, are represented by the two adjacent sides, say OA and OB, having the intersection point O, of a parallelogram, that is OACB, then the resultant is given by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the point of intersection of the two vectors, that is OC, which passes through the point of intersection O of the two vectors A and B. So this represents the resultant, that is the vector addition of A and B. Okay, so let's find out the magnitude of this resultant. For finding out the resultant, let us just extend OA till N and draw a perpendicular from C onto AN. In this triangle ONC, this is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this is the base. Applying the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ONC, OC square is equal to ON square plus CN square. OC is R, so R square is equal to ON square plus CN square. This implies R square ON is equal to OA plus AN, as I have written. OA is A and AN is B cos theta, CN is B sin theta. How we have found out the AN and CN? We know that as this is a parallelogram OACB, so OB is parallel to SC and they have the same length. So if OB represents the vector B, then SC also represents the vector B. And we have resolved this SC vector into its orthogonal components. If you do not know about the resolution of the vector B, please go back to my previous lecture where I have solved the triangle law. I have resolved and find out the AN and CN. AN is B cos theta, CN is B sin theta. I have just put the value of AN and CN in the equation. So R square is equal to, put the formula of A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Now taking common, A square is simply, now taking common B square taking common, this is cos square theta, this is sin square theta. I have written this simply, then 2AB cos theta. So R square is equal to A square plus B square, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, plus 2AB cos theta. This implies R is equals to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the magnitude. And depending upon the angle between A and B, we have two special cases. In the case 1, Let us consider the angle between A and B be 0. So cos theta, that is cos 0, is equal to 1. So R equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB into 1, or simply A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is equal to under root A plus B whole square, that is equal to A plus B. Similarly, in the case 2, let us consider the angle between A and B to be 180 degree. Cos 180 equals to minus 1. So R equals to simply A square plus B square plus 2AB into minus 1 or minus 2AB, that is equals to under root A minus B whole square, that is equal to A minus B. Now let us find out the direction. For finding out the direction, simply take this ONC triangle. Let us consider the resultant makes beta angle with the vector A, then tan beta equals to P by B, or perpendicular by base. Perpendicular CN is B sin theta, base is OA plus AN, that is A plus B cos theta. So tan beta equals to Cn, that is B sin theta, divided by base, that is On, that is A plus B cos theta. This means I hope that you could understand the parallelogram law of vector addition. It is very similar to that of the triangle law, but the difference between the parallelogram law and the triangle law is that in the triangle law, the two vectors were taken in the same order, that is anticlockwise or clockwise, but here the two vectors A and B are taken in opposite order. Okay, this is the basic difference. I hope you could enjoy the lecture. If you have any kind of doubt, I have given my WhatsApp number in the description. Please ask any problem related to the parallelogram. I will solve the question and will text you. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you are new to my video, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.